let's look at the sequence of partial sums.
1 by
1 by sin pi x
Okay. So what I'm hearing is 1 over sine pi x, okay?
into pi
into cos pi x.
Okay. Anything else?
Minus 1 by x.
Nice, okay. I'm actually relatively impressed. Kind of sad that a math professor has to answer for all of those students, but
Can I have a
okay,
question?
that's okay.
Sir, another question. How will you enjoy in your life other than math?
Okay, so I will answer this one, then the module will.
আচ্ছা কোশ্চেনগুলি যদি আপনারা ম্যাথ রিলেটেড করেন এগুলি না করে তাহলে ভালো হয়
Okay.
Okay, I am saying let
Okay.
a and n are two natural numbers, okay? A and n. So suppose a 3 and n is 6. 3 square is 9, modulo 6 is 3. So a square is equal to a basically, okay? Under mod 6. So I will say you a n. For that, can you say me an idempotent that a square is congruent to mod a?
Interesting question. So if you don't know, I believe idempotent basically means applying the same transformation twice gives you the same result as if you applied it once. So I actually don't know if there's a special classification for numbers like this.
N cannot be prime, that's for sure. But when composite, how it can be? I know the answer for nilpotent. Actually, while doing the ring theory, the question arises in my mind, but no one could answer it.
No, I don't believe there's a classification for this kind of number.
One must use this composite, but we have to find. Suppose 15 square under mod 20 is very easy to find.
Yes.
It's a little bit harder.
Yes, that's interesting.
So you can think of it.
Let me think about this. I have.
Suppose n is divisible by some square of prime or composite in a special fold. Right.
So
When you write 6, you have 3, but when you write 8, you don't have any choice left for it. So what can be the ends?
let's see. So n equals okay. So let me
Except 0 and 1.
so let me see if I can write this down. So essentially a squared is not congruent to a. So mod n. So let's see. What would that require? Well, that would require, let's see, a squared minus a to be divisible by n, or a squared minus a equals some number k times n. So a squared equals a plus kn. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so that means k times n has to be equal to a minus 1 times a for whatever k. So that means that either it's k equals, so that means either n equals a minus 1 or n equals a, unless a has a few factors. Unless a minus 1 has a few factors. So yeah, this seems like too broad for any kind of classification.
ক্যামেরা সামনে দিয়ে সরে যাও
Suppose n gives you 36, so you have to take time for finding the a. You cannot say it directly.
Well,
So I am working on
okay.
this. Basically.
So if n is like
36. Now find some a that a squared equal to a from 2 to 35.
okay, so that can't be that hard, right? So you can have, oh right,
This is.
so let's say n equals a minus 1, so let's say a equals 36. Wait, no, but that's not the point. Okay, so let's say a equals 7, so then 36k is equal to 6 times 7. So 36k equals 42, and it should be pretty trivial to